Hello, this is Abraham at North Shore Computer Services. What we have here is the single post car lift, and this is a version 2. The original version had a manufacturing defect where this weld was not performed. This caused the arm to go down and could have caused a major accident. This is the part. This is the issue. But beside that, you can see that there is a bend in this metal plate. And beside that, there is a bend in the traveler. So this is the thing that goes up and down inside of the post itself. So it's this piece. The new one does have a small, you can see there's a small gap in here, which if I put the car on, of course it's going to push it down, but I'm thinking of adding a shim in there before I do. I cannot pull the car in because the replacement lift is in the way. So I contacted the company, I sent them pictures, they sent me a new lift. So this is the new post, and this is the box. I don't know how much the shipping cost, how much everything cost, but that's what they did. I don't like this. Now I'm stuck with a whole lot of metal. But the reason that I wanted to record this video is this. So the chain is connected by only 4 pieces of metal. Now, the chain itself is fairly beefy. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 links involved. Out of these 10 links, 1, 2, 3, 4 are on the outside and 6 on the inside. For some reason, they decided to remove 2 links and only have 4 pulling the whole car up. I wish they had 6, but now that I counted, there's 4 on the outside, and that's all that's supporting it. So on the inside of the, let's see right here. So this is where the chain goes, and this is the piece with a pin inside, which is this pin is all that holds your car in the air. Now they do have the locks, so if the chain was to fail, the car won't fall. It'll be held by the locking system. It seems to me like there should be a little more metal. And as you can see, this piece here is bent already. I don't know what that means, but I'm not using this piece. Mine is not bent, but there's awful little metal here. And one more situation that I have thought of, if the chain was to break while the whole thing is up in the air, how are you going to bring the car down? So I guess you could theoretically replace the chain, but I'm not happy with the lift in general. those are the issues that I wanted to. It does work, it does lift the cars, but it could be scary at times. So hopefully this helps somebody make a decision. If I was to make another decision, I would not buy a lift at all. Not a single, not a double. I would be looking for something made in America. This is Chinese, and in my opinion, if the metal bent like that, the metal is too soft. And that's what scares me about these little pieces, that if it's the same metal, it is also soft. So I will have to make sure that I watch these pieces like a hawk, because I don't want a car to fall down. Now the piece that's inside, the other side of the chain is inside here, and it's not easy to see. It's right here. So gotta have like a camera or scope or something to make sure that this is inspected periodically. It's critical. Metal has a tendency to stretch like bubble gum, and even though it works today, it might not work tomorrow. So hopefully this helps somebody. Give me a like if you like my videos. Enjoy, subscribe, and save money.